Hello everybody, how you doing? Thanks for joining me for a quick look at the new curved sidewalks I built for the curved road section. I tried out a few different ideas on how to make these, but this one I think is the best. We have a nice smooth edge along this side, and it just finishes off the road section perfectly in my opinion. So I'm gonna just pop these apart real quick. One thing I wanted to show you that I incorporated into this is that if you didn't want sidewalks on your roads, these simply pop right off. Just like that. So what I'll do is have another section that finishes off the roadway with just a little bit of curb. So here's the curb by itself. If you follow me on YouTube or at my other social feeds, you already know there's going to be more than meets the eye here. So we'll start with what's obvious. This is the part where it connects on to the roadway. And we have tiles here and flat section underneath so that it can easily be removed. So as always, the real trick comes in the bottom section. So here I've used a double clip to get the angle that I wanted for the curve in that road. And if you notice along here, I have some headlight bricks stacked perpendicular to each other, and that is going to be able to reverse direction from the bricks going in one way to another. And it works like this. So we have the bricks being built up in this direction, but by using those headlight bricks, we're able to lock in the bricks going in the opposite direction. And that's kind of the main trick of the whole build. Finally, the very last piece of the puzzle is here and here, which are the stud on the side bricks that our curb is attached to. And you can see I put some tiles here and the bricks are smooth on this side to allow the curb to be easily removed or put back on. So there's the new sidewalk section in a nutshell. I will be making these available for pre-order, hopefully by the end of the week on our Facebook page. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and you can stay up to date with everything that I'm doing on Facebook, or if you prefer, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much. Have a fantastic day. Keep dreaming in bricks. Bye-bye.